Hello friends, here I am myself Rohit. Here I tell about how to calculate the array address using row measure and column measure order. So here I first introduce the header file like has include IOStream. Then I starting the main function here I include the int main. So for the put the array address, we have to take the address and address one like as a pointer. So here I take this address and address one as a pointer. Then the basic address, it will be also the pointer. Here I take the value of initial array address like A00. Then I ask a user to put the value for which array address he or she will be want to find. So here in this statement enter the row number and column number for the array. So it will be stored into row and column. So the for the row measure order, the address will be basic address plus row into the row column size plus column. So this is the formula for the finding the address for in a row measure order. And for the column measure order, the basic address basic address plus in the in between the bracket the row plus column into row size. So for the here I state that for row measure order, the address of the array is this address will be print out. So it will be so for the row measure order. And the by default address will be so by this value a row and column. And for the column measure order, the address one will be so. And the value of the row array address of array is address one. And the by default address value, again the value will be so of a of row and column. So let's see how it will work. Here I build this program and run. So if I put the I want to I want to see the address of 2 comma 3 like 2 and 3. So here it will be for the row measure order, the address of the array is this one, 0 cross 228 FDC8. And the by default address will be 0 cross 228 FDC8. So this is the row measure order wise in the address value. And for the column measure order wise address value, the value is 0 plus 28 FDEC, and the by default as it is. So in column measure order, there will be some changement in this address. But as C and C++, they calculate the address as a row measure order wise. So the row measure order address will be the remains the same. So by this video, I show the how we'll calculate the address in order to row measure order or column measure order. Thank you for watching.